In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate pips in TradingView XAUUSD. If you've ever been unsure how many pips a gold move represents, this walkthrough will make it clear and quick to repeat every time. We'll use a single built-in tool in TradingView so you can see the exact move, the percentage change, and the pip count at a glance. First, a quick bit of context. On XAUUSD, a pip is typically treated as 0.01 in price. Think of it as 1 cent of movement per ounce. Some platforms call them points, and on TradingView you'll often see pips points shown together. Don't worry about the terminology too much. The number you need will be right in the panel we're about to open. On your TradingView chart, select the long position tool if you want to measure an upward move, or the short position tool for a downward move. You'll find these in the drawing toolbar under the position tools. You're not placing a real order, this is just a measuring overlay, so feel free to use whichever direction matches the move you're analyzing. Click once at your planned entry price, then drag the tool to your intended exit. If you're measuring a long idea, drag upward. For a short, drag downward. You can fine-tune the anchors so the top and bottom of the tool line up exactly with the prices you have in mind. Zoom in if you need precision. The placement doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. You can always drag the handles to adjust. As soon as you position it, a small information box appears next to the tool. This box is the key. It shows 3 things that matter for measuring the move: the raw price change, the percentage change, and the pips, also labeled as points. The pip figure reflects the move from your entry anchor to your exit anchor using XAUUSD's pip size. For example, if price moved from 2,300 shillings to 2,350, that's a 0.50 move, which equals 50 pips. This method is the simplest and most reliable because TradingView does the conversion for you. If you want a quick mental check, use this cheat. Every 0.1 cent move is 10 pips, a 1.0 move is 100 pips, and a 10-cent move is 1,000 pips. Once you remember that 0.01 is 1 pip, the math becomes effortless. Before you wrap up, just confirm you're on the XAUUSD chart and that you've dragged from the exact entry to the exact exit you want to measure. That's it. Select the long or short tool, drag from entry to exit, and read price, percent, and pips right in the box. Now you can calculate pips on gold in seconds with full clarity and confidence.